Stay tuned. Cheat code on how to make the best homemade dressing. Alright, so this is what gives it that homemade taste. Just follow the recipe on the back of the cornmeal mix box. Okay, here's the cheat code. You don't even have to measure because the seasoning is already in the boxes. Thanks. Okay, you guys, I apologize, I do not use measurements. But when you're making your dressing, just pour enough chicken stock, celery cream, or cream of celery, and cream of chicken until it's moist like a custard. If you can't shake the dressing, then it's going to be dry. If you can shake it and it moves, it's perfect. Thank you.